Dear friends, myself Malcolm Devdas from Mumbai, India. I am inviting you all to my YouTube channel Life Changing Opportunity. Kindly subscribe my channel where you will get the details of this opportunity which I am showing you now. Friends, I am doing an online shopping business and expanding my business in India. And now I am looking for the business expansion in other countries like South Korea, USA, Japan, Canada, Taiwan, Malaysia, and many more countries, where I can give you all a wonderful opportunity to earn a monthly passive income without leaving your current occupation. Friends, I am in search for a serious minded business partners and ambitious business partners from any countries for business expansion. Friends, I would like to ask one question to all who are watching this video now. Are you doing an online shopping through any portals? If you are doing, it's well and good. But are you earning anything from online shopping? Have you earned anything so far? If no, then here is an excellent opportunity for all. In one of the e-commerce based international online shopping mall business, which is running successfully in above mentioned countries and also yet to start in more 40 countries, where you can simply do an online shopping, buy the products, and the products get delivered at your home. What you have done so far and currently doing what you are doing now. But you can also refer your friends and relatives and any colleagues in this business so that they can also enjoy the shoppings and you will get an income from their online shoppings. In short, both will be benefited with this business, you and the one you referred to this business. Is it an interesting one, guys? Right? It's good or very good. Friends, for this business you no need to invest anything. You can do this business as a part-time along with your current occupation and earn a monthly passive income. Is it seems to be good, friends, where you does not have any risk to start and no joining fees, and it will not also not going to be affect your current job or business. So it's very good for all those who can start as a part-time. Friends, let's see what are the product categories it involves. The product categories involves cosmetics, foods and beverages, FMCG, personal care, healthcare, footwear, garments, and many more products. Friends, if you want to expand this business in your country as a part-time, you can start immediately without any investment by joining as a free registration, which is free in all countries. Yes, in all countries it's a free registration going on. Interested one can WhatsApp their name, country or region at the given number, which is that is my WhatsApp number, that is 7045530824. And you can also subscribe my channel for more details and comment your name and region and press the bell icon to get more notifications. So friends, thank you for watching my video, and if you like this opportunity, please like my video and also share with all your friends and others. I will come up with more videos in future. Till that time, thank you, take care, bye.